What if I told you? You don't need 5 houses, 10 properties, or a massive real estate portfolio to build real wealth. What if just one property, done the right way, could change your entire financial future? Most people are chasing the wrong game. They're trying to scale before they even understand how to win once. And that's exactly why they stay stuck, overwhelmed, underfunded, and constantly starting over. But today, I'm going to break down a completely different strategy, one that's simpler, smarter, and way more achievable. By the end of this video, you'll understand why one property can outperform a portfolio of bad deals, how to pick the right property that actually pays you, and how to turn that single asset into a long-term wealth machine. If you're serious about building wealth through real estate, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay till the end, because most people quit halfway and miss the strategy that actually works. Let's get into it. Everyone has been sold the same dream: own multiple properties, build a big portfolio, scale fast. And while that sounds impressive, here's the truth nobody tells you: more properties don't make you wealthy. Better properties do. You can own 10 houses and still be broke. You can own one property and be financially free. The difference is strategy. Let's break this down. Most beginners jump into real estate with the wrong mindset. They think the goal is ownership, so they rush to buy anything they can afford. Cheap house, buy it. Far location, doesn't matter. Bad tenants, we'll figure it out. But what they end up with is low rental income, high maintenance costs, constant stress, and worst of all, no real wealth, because owning property isn't the goal. Owning the right property is the goal. So what does one property is all you need actually mean? It means focusing all your energy, money, and attention on acquiring one high-quality income-producing asset that does 3 things: pays for itself, generates profit, grows in value over time. That's it. If your first property does all 3, you've already won. Let's talk about why this works. When you spread yourself across multiple properties too early, you dilute your resources. Your money is stretched. Your time is stretched. Your focus is scattered. But when you focus on one property, something powerful happens. You go deeper instead of wider. You analyze better. You negotiate better. You manage better. And you make smarter decisions. Think about it like this. Would you rather own 5 average businesses that barely make profit, or own one business that runs smoothly and prints money? The answer is obvious. Real estate is no different. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A single well-bought property can generate multiple streams of income. Let's say you buy a property and rent it long-term, leads to steady monthly income. Add short-term rental options, leads to higher returns. Rent out extra spaces, leads to additional cash flow. Same property, it's multiple income channels. This is how one property becomes powerful. But here's the part most people ignore. The deal matters more than the property. You don't make money when you sell. You make money when you buy. If you buy right, everything becomes easier. If you buy wrong, everything becomes a struggle. So how do you identify a one-property winner? There are 3 key factors. Number 1, location. Not just any location, but a strategic one. You want high demand, growing population, strong rental market. A good location reduces vacancy, increases rent, and boosts appreciation. Bad location, everything suffers. Number 2, cash flow. Your property should pay you, not other way around. After all expenses, mortgage, if any, maintenance, taxes, management, there should still be money left. Even if it's small at first, Positive cash flow is non-negotiable because cash flow is what keeps you in the game. Number 3, value potential. Can you improve it? Can you increase rent? Can you add something that boosts income? The best properties aren't perfect. They're improvable. That's where the real money is made. Now let's address the biggest myth. You need a lot of money to start. No, you don't. What you need is knowledge, strategy, patience. Because rushing into a bad deal is more expensive than waiting for a good one. Here's something most people won't tell you. The first property is the hardest, not because of money, but because of mindset. You'll doubt yourself. You'll overthink decisions. You'll feel like you're missing out. But once you get it right, everything changes because now you understand the process. You have income coming in. You have an asset working for you. And that confidence, that's priceless. Let's talk about the long-term play. One property isn't the end. It's the foundation. When your first property is solid, it gives you options. You can reinvest the income, use the equity, expand strategically. But now you're building from strength, not desperation. And this is where most people go wrong again. They rush to buy the second property. Why? Because they think speed equals success. But the truth is, timing matters more than speed. If your first property isn't stable, adding another one just multiplies your problems. Fix one before chasing more. Now imagine this. You own one property that pays you monthly, increases in value, requires minimal stress. That alone puts you ahead of most people because most people are paying rent, paying loans, working for money, while your property is working for you. Let's make this real. A single well-positioned property can cover your living expenses, fund your investments, act as a financial safety net. That's not theory. That's strategy. But here's the real secret. It's not about the property. It's about the mindset behind it. People who succeed in real estate don't chase quantity. They chase quality. They're patient. They're strategic. They think long-term. And most importantly, they understand that wealth is built on good decisions, not fast ones. So if you're feeling overwhelmed right now, if you're thinking, I can't afford multiple properties, I don't know where to start, I don't have enough experience, good, because you don't need all that. You just need one good decision, one solid property, one smart move. If this is changing how you think about real estate, hit the like button right now. It tells me you want more content like this. And comment below. One property. If you're committing to doing this the smart way instead of rushing. Because coming up next, I'm going to show you the biggest mistake that destroys most first-time property investors and how to avoid it completely. The biggest mistake: buying based on emotion. People fall in love with how a property looks, the idea of ownership, the excitement of finally buying something, and they ignore the numbers. That's how bad deals happen. Real estate is not emotional, it's mathematical. If the numbers don't work, it's not a good deal, no matter how beautiful the property is. And this is why focusing on one property is powerful, because you can slow down, you can analyze deeply, you can walk away from bad deals without pressure. Let's talk about patience. Most people lose money because they're in a hurry. They think, if I don't buy now, I'll miss out. But the reality is, there will always be another deal. The right deal is worth waiting for. Now, imagine you take your time. You study the market. You understand pricing. You run the numbers properly. And then you find it. A property that makes financial sense, has income potential, is in a strong location. That's your move. Not 5 properties, not 10, just one. Done right. And here's what happens next. That one property starts working. It generates income. It builds equity. It increases in value. And slowly, your financial pressure reduces. This is how real wealth begins. Not with noise, not with hype, but with one solid foundation. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need more properties. You need a better first property. Focus on quality. Focus on strategy. Focus on making one move that actually works, because one good property can change everything. If you found value in this, subscribe for more real estate strategies that actually make sense, not just hype. And share this with someone who's thinking about getting into property, because it might save them from making a costly mistake. One property, done right, that's all you need.